In this lab, you're going to focus on using real-world data to achieve that learning objective we talked about, which is to use computers to process data and gain information. The data that we are going to look at is from something called the Oklahoma Mesonet, which is a unique observing system that exists in Oklahoma that collects data about the weather every 5 minutes in every single county in Oklahoma and has been doing so continuously for 15 years. I've provided you with a whole bunch of interesting weather data from the year of 2013. Now, I said that it records data every 5 minutes in every single county in Oklahoma, and that will be an overwhelming data set for you to deal with. So what I ended up doing was I chose the daily summary data, and that gives you the maximum, the minimum, and the average for a bunch of the different data points, rather than the every 5-minute data for every single county. So you have the data, but I also narrowed it down to only one station. I chose the Norman station so that you could have the data for the place where the course is taking place. The data that I gave you is on temperature, wind speed, whether or not it was raining, what the wind chill is, or what the heat index is, what the humidity is, and I think a couple other small data points. Your job is to load that data in, parse it into some form that's usable for you, and then graph it on the screen. And I want you to graph it in a form that you, the user, and then we, the users who also look at your code, can gain information about it. You need to graph information about the different variables, but you need to graph at least 4 of them. So this is a quick demo of just what my code does with 2 of the variables. So this is not even a complete demo of everything that you need to do for your project, but just to show you an idea of how you can graph things on the screen. So when you start, it draws the high and the low temperature for each day, for every single day in the entire year. So the high temperatures are in red, the low temperatures are in blue, and you can see that there's a gap in between them. And I didn't finish doing things like labeling where the months are, and I didn't put in the other variables. But this is a demo to show you that it is possible to do what I'm asking you to do. Have fun learning about data, and in particular learning about Oklahoma weather.